The ARTAIRA garment is designed to help improve blood flow to the lower legs, feet, and toes. With just a few steps, you will be ready to start your therapy. Start by placing your ARTAIRA pump on a flat surface. Connect the garment tubing to the device, ensuring it's secure. If you're treating just one leg, don't forget to attach the air blocker to the unused port. With your device ready, position your foot in the outlined area, making sure the sole is directly over the air chamber. Pull the left flap snugly over your foot, then secure it by overlaying the right flap. Ensure the label that says foot is facing up. Now, move to the upper calf. Grab both flaps and wrap them around the back of your calf, securing the left side before the right. Repeat this step for the lower calf to ensure full coverage. Make sure the garments are snug around your upper and lower calf. To complete the setup, take the strap labeled "Place Across Ankle." Pull it snugly and attach it over your ankle by attaching hooks and fasteners to the lower part of the garment. Ensure a firm and comfortable fit. With the garment fully secured, simply press Start on your device to begin your therapy. Sit back and relax as the ARTAIRA garment works to enhance your circulation,